Okay, this is my father's latest invention. If you quickly demonstrate. It's quite a clever little invention. If you scroll down, you can see the workings of it. It's basically just a foot pedal tap. So the idea is just using your feet to turn on and off the taps. It'd be handy for public toilets where you wouldn't have to use that sort of laser thing that kind of doesn't really work too well. This is good for saving water. It's also good for hand cleanliness, as you don't have to touch the tap afterwards. It's also good because it turns on to whatever level you like, so you can adjust the tap to whatever speed the water you like. The other thing is it's quite simple to make. All this was just a foot pedal off a kind of like an electronic set and a little 12-volt wire going to a magnetic actuator, and also a surge hammer protector, which is just a little bulb. So it's very easy to make, and it's a very clever little invention, and I will say that this one I'm proud of my father for inventing.